All right, this video, let's try to do it, how about what, 5-6 minutes? Okay. Hey, thanks for your time, guys, and watching my videos, subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you need to get a hold of me, let me tell you my email address, okay? Cory@corydraper.com. I'll have the information below the video somewhere anyway, okay? All right. Are you in LiveGood already? Okay, if you are, good. As an affiliate, and you have to be a member to be an affiliate, so that means you know that you can buy the products for rock bottom for wholesale. All right, and to be an affiliate, all you got to do is spend 40 bucks one time for life. Not every year, not every month. You got 40 bucks, guys, you are now enabled to make moolah just by inviting people to an experience, okay? I want to show you how, over the last year and a half, I've really learned a lot about this online biz, especially LiveGood. Okay, I'm very used to getting anywhere from 10 to 12 signups per month. And right now it's Happy New Year, January of 2025. All right. And it all comes down to just inviting people to click a link, okay, and watch a short little video. And please don't overcomplicate LiveGood if you're signed up underneath someone else. Guys, I have thousands of videos on my YouTube channel if you want to follow along. I have other things that I do to increase my income besides LiveGood, okay? But all the other businesses I do, they're like techniques, software, like a hammer, and then you need a screwdriver and maybe a nail gun and a crescent wrench if you want to be a mechanic or a roofer or a construction worker, okay? That's how I look at this business. You need a couple things, okay, to be successful as an affiliate or a network marketer, whatever you want to call it, okay? This is an online business. And there's people out there that want to do the same thing as you. The beauty of LiveGood is we're only 2 years old. We're almost a household name. We're always number one right now as far as best home business or online business, a business you can run on your cell phone, okay, or in your pajamas, in your living room eating popcorn, okay? I think a lot of people want to work at home because I talk to a lot of people that have signed up with me. Guys, I have emailed or talked on the phone or texted well over probably 2,000 people in the last year and a half. All right. I like to ask questions. All right. I want to know what's on your mind. How can I help you? Or do you guys have advice to help me where I can make a video like this and teach my downline or your downline? All right. We got to take care of each other because there's no competition. There's plenty of money. There's plenty of products. Okay. There's no competition. No one can compete with LiveGood at this point. Okay. They just can't. Otherwise, I'd join that opportunity. You wouldn't see me making about my 3,800th video. Okay? I love doing these things, about 5 to 7 a day. And I'm a big fan of this company. Now, how am I number 27 on the leaderboard out of 1.7 million people? Okay? Let me show you. All right? First, I'm going to snap my fingers. And I'm a tiny little guy on the bottom right, okay? Now, if I can go ahead and put my little business card up here. So hold on just a sec, guys. I have to click a little button because I want to show you what I do. Okay. First thing I do is I join LiveGood. And if you want to join my group, just go to joincory.com. All right. Now, after I buy this domain, and it was open with GoDaddy, it was like 10, 11 bucks out the door. Then I forward this joincory.com to the LiveGood capture page, which I'm going to show you. Or if you want to go to joincory.com right now while I'm talking to you, you can see what the LiveGood capture page is. When you join LiveGood for $49.95 right now, the one-time 40 bucks is good for life, and then it's $9.95 a month. You can join for the year too. You get 12 months for the price of 10. It's up to you. I don't make any more or less. Join by the year, join by the month, join according to your budget. Okay. I buy joincory.com at GoDaddy and I forward it. And forwarding is free. You can just call GoDaddy. That's why I think they're the best, because a live human, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, they can help you. It's a lot easier than you trying to go in your back office of GoDaddy.com and trying to learn how to forward a domain. Just call them. For example, hi GoDaddy, do you have joincory.com open? Yep, how much? Okay, here's my credit card information. Can you please forward that to this link? Okay, what's the link, sir? I give it to them, and in a handful of minutes, sometimes they say it takes about an hour to 2 hours to up to 24 hours to propagate, but my joincory.com bounced to my LiveGood capture page link address at about, God, I think it was 2 or 3 minutes. All right. Now, joincory.com, awesome. I've got a business card. I just designed this at vistaprint.com. Took me about 15 minutes. Okay, this red with the little shiny car in the background, it was just a template I used. I went ahead and paid like 25 cents to round the edges here to make it a little more modern, like 2025. And I can put Cory at CoryDraper.com here with my name, or just have nothing. Just put joincory.com, because your goal, guys, is not everyone to call you. Video is going to do the training and the recruiting, and the company's going to do all the customer service stuff, ship and handling. You're going to get good at just inviting people to your link. So joincory.com, you can see it right there. Now, this is the Live Good website. What I recommend you do right now, if you haven't joined, or if you have, please go to the products tab and look at every product. Check it out. Just hit the white little rectangle buttons. What do they say? Learn more. All right. You can do that at your own leisure. All right. You can buy some shirts and hats and whatever else. So go to the products. I want you to really dig what we sell, and I want you to buy them. Now go to the FAQ. All these questions, guys, they're answered. Just click the little line there. All right. Can I change my display name? When do we get paid? Guys, I'm not going to sit here and make videos about it. I'm just going to make a video that says go to the FAQ section and figure it out. Okay. So, number one, go to the products tab. Number two, go to the FAQ. Now go to the bottom of your cell phone or your website, and it's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. It depends how big your screen is, because affiliate's kind of a bigger word. With this, pay plan only shows up. Now I'm going to click it, and this is how we get paid. We get paid on the membership side. Guys, you don't have to buy anything. There's no product requirement. Okay? If you want to buy Live Good products, please do. If you don't worry about it. If you want to resell them, go ahead. Sell them on Amazon. Sell them out of your back trunk of your car. Sell them at your gym. It's up to you. Sell them to your family. But sell them to yourself. Buy the products wholesale. All right? Now, there's 7 ways to get paid. Remember, go to the pay plan link at the bottom. Please go to the bottom of the pay plan link and just watch this YouTube video. Guys, trying to bore yourself by reading the website about the pay plan, you're going to fall asleep. First of all, say hi to this pretty girl, and then hit the play button and just watch. And if you don't understand the pay plan for a couple more times, guys, it's a short video. It's very easy, okay? So the 3 things I recommend, please go to the, just go to the pay plan link, go to the FAQ, and go to the products tab, all right? And then I hope you do what I do. Make things simple. Don't overcomplicate this business. Please get a domain name. Forward it to right here. I'm going to show you. Let's just type in Join Cory right now live on this video. Okay, this is your capture page. It's going to be exactly like this, except right here where it says Cory Draper at the top. Guys, you can put whatever you want. You can put Bob's whatever, Bob Thomas or Cory Rocks, whatever. It's up to you. I just put Cory Draper's website because Cory at CoryDraper.com is my email. Okay, and obviously CoryDraper.com, I own that too. That shows my businesses, and that is my real name. So I just like to kind of have everyone know that it's me. I'm branding myself. Like, who am I joining? Well, I'm joining Cory Draper of Live Good. Not like, well, I'm joining Live Good and some guy with a yellow hat or something. I want people to know who I am. People join people. I can't stress that enough. I've learned that a lot over the last couple thousand chit-chats with everybody over the last year and a half, okay? So remember, you have this exact page, and what people do is watch this little 6-minute video. It's a YouTube video. CEO Ben Glinsky chats a little bit about the products, the opportunity. He does everything. And then if you want information, put your name and email address in and click the orange button. Or if you want to join, after you hit the orange button, just go to your email, and you're going to get a Live Good message. Open it up, and you can see where you can join. Get a username, password, pay either by credit card or cryptocurrency. It's up to you. We're a worldwide company in over 200 countries. Okay, 15 million of products are going out the door. All right, we got almost 1.7 million people. That's awesome. We sign up about 60, I think we average about 60,000 people per month right now. And the only way they can sign up is through guys like myself that's an affiliate, or you. All right, so come on, ladies. Come on, gentlemen. Let's bring you aboard. Let's have some fun, okay? Joincory.com. Remember, Cory at CoryDraper.com is my email. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, you can even comment below this video, and I'll answer you from there. All right, or find me on Facebook, of course, and just inbox me. All right. I'm really good at typing on this little keyboard like a maniac. Okay. All right. Thanks, you guys, for watching my video. All right. Peace and love. We'll talk to you soon. Okay. Bye.